Hello, welcome to Cotton's classroom, and this is Cotton Dandee, and I call myself Cotton's mama. You could call me Marjo, and I created Cotton Dandee, and I also created Cotton Dandee Music and the learning platform called Cotton's Classroom. And in Cotton's Classroom, we will learn basic beat. So I call it music from zero, because most music classes start before people even know where the count of one is. So I like to teach where the count of one is in our minds and in our bodies. And it's basically something that we've all been born with, but we don't know that. So came up with a little a way to teach it with no theory. It's just a little pattern. And so we're just going to learn a basic count and a basic pattern, and then learn to sing together, clap together, and eventually strum an ukulele together. Very basic. It's not high art. This is just learning to, if you learn to ride a bike, you can learn to strum on ukulele. It's like that. So for any of you out there who were scared off from music theory in school and just said, oh, or somebody said you don't have rhythm, which is a lie, because everybody's born with perfect rhythm. You have to have perfect rhythm to walk around or you're going to trip. So anyway, we're here to kind of demystify the music code. And I hope you'll join Cotton and I as we make videos and share hopefully a lot of fun. I'm going to wear glasses because I don't know how to look at the screen and not look at the wrong part. So I'm going to wear the glasses because it makes me feel like I'm not messing up. And thank you for being here. And yeah, so let's get started. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, cotton dandies at the door.